I've taken full fat milk and kept it on low medium heat. We are going to boil the milk for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm adding sugar. If the mangoes are too sweet, then you don't have to add sugar. Add sugar as per your taste, and keep on stirring the milk every 2 to 3 minutes. We want to make sure the milk is nice and creamy. We want the cream on the milk, so the popsicle will be creamy. And now I'm going to add some saffron. Saffron will give a nice wonderful flavor and also color. Whenever you're making anything with milk, do add cardamom seed powder because it helps to digest the milk. So I'm going to add a little bit of cardamom seed powder and keep on stirring for another 10 minutes on a low medium heat until it becomes milk becomes a little bit thick and creamy. So now it's almost done. So I'm going to put off the gas stove and let it cool down for some time because we want this milk to be at room temperature. So I'm going to keep it aside, and the mango pulp is ready. I have taken 2 medium-sized mangoes. So now the process is very easy. We have to just blend the mangoes. For vegans, you can take coconut milk and you don't have to cook the milk or boil the milk. You can just add it directly. So mangoes and milk and all those spices, just blend it and it's thick, rich and creamy. So all the ingredients here, they're so yummy that there is no way this popsicle taste can go wrong. So just blend it and our thick creamy mango and milk mixture is ready, and just pour into the popsicle mold, and we are going to freeze these popsicles in the deep freezer. So just put the cover and freeze the popsicles for about 6 to 8 hours. So now they are ready, and if it's difficult for you to take them out of the mold, and then just run warm water over it for a few seconds, and they are yummy and tasty. They look so good.